ubengeke azakwazi ukuzisho yena uMC esemile la ngoba uyena okwazi ukukhuphula indonga zonke lezi zesikole aze azimise kuze kube kuhle kangaka esikoleni. Isikole esisuka ku550 size soshaya ku1697 today ngenxa yokuthi ke uMC nethimba lakhe la ka education likwazile ukuthi liubhekele umphakathi wase village walathi lokhuphula isupport ukwazi ukuthi wonke umntwana ofisa ukungena esikoleni akwazi ukuthi accommodate. Siyabonga kakhulu for that. MEC siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you for your unwavering guidance and strategic leadership. Your belief in quality education for every child continues to inspire and strengthen our district. Sina district again, esicabanga ukuthi this year sifuna ukuba district #1, and we have worked for that. And sesikushilo lokho siyazi ukuthi we have your support and the support from the province and the support from other colleagues. Ingakho sikwazi ukuthi ke uma sinemicimbi njengalesi sithanda ukuthi ube khona ukwazi ukuthi ube uqhubeke usilide. Siyabonga kakhulu. To all our dignitaries, our stakeholders and partners, siyabonga kakhulu ngokufika nibe wenze lo mcimbi ube impumelelo. Lokhu kusikhombisa nokufundisa ukuthi indeed education is a societal matter. Kuyona yethu kuphela, ngeke sikwazi ukuqhubeka ne-education bantu abami uma bengekho abazali bethu, bengekho ama-partners ethu, singabambisene